Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to turn off Google Assistant on Moto G37. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Google. After click on Google, click on All Services. Scroll down and click on Search Assistant and Voice. Scroll down and click on Google Assistant. Scroll down and click on General and use Screen Contact. So make sure to turn off this button. After turn off this button, go back to home screen. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.